Hey guys, I'm Allyn with Sonic Electronix, and today we've got a video on the Audiopipe low-mid loudspeaker drivers. So as you can see, they have quite a few different ones. This is not all of what they offer, but here to show you, for the most part, they have a lot of variety of speakers in 6 and 8 inch loudspeakers. Now these speakers are a little bit different than your typical speaker that you find in most vehicles. These are really popular in the Latin American market, and you've probably seen cars where they've got like, you know, maybe 6 or 8 of these in each door. A lot of people use these for kind of creating a concert. They want to just be heard really far and really loud. Like I said, they're definitely a little bit different than your typical mid-bass drivers. And what I mean by that, as an example, we've got two 6-inch drivers here. You can see this particular model has a frequency response of 70 to 9,000 hertz, whereas this particular driver here, I know the box is a little wrinkled, but 350 to 5,000 hertz. So there are quite a few different ones. You really need to figure out what you need for your application, depending on what you're trying to set up. But like I said, these are definitely made for something really loud, SPL, projecting sound outward. They're basically pro drivers. So, but besides that, what's really important is actually setting them up properly and choosing the right amp. Audiopipe recommends a RMS range of 50 to 100 watts for most of their speakers. So obviously we'll want to keep that in mind when choosing the speaker and choosing the amplifier. But what I feel is even more important than that is actually tuning and setting your amplifier and adjusting your gains properly. That way you can maximize the most that you're going to get out of these speakers and any speaker in general, to be honest with you. So for those, what we use in our install bay, we use tools by SMD, and these are just a couple I grabbed in my toolbox. You can kind of see they've got some wear on them. We use them all the time. This is the DD1 distortion detector, which basically is used to set the gain properly on your amplifier, so that way it's distortion free. This particular one is the signal generator, which has a lot of different functionality. I'm not going to go into detail on those. And one that I couldn't find that's somewhere in my toolbox is the CC one, which is a crossover calibrator, which allows you to accurately set your crossover point on your amplifier. So tools like this are great for the beginner. They're great for the pro. We use them here in our install bay. I'd highly suggest you check them out. They work with any amplifier. It's definitely something you need to set up any kind of system. So once again, guys, this is the Audiopipe line of low-mid loudspeakers. For more information on their product, please make sure to visit sonicelectronix.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Allyn. See you next time.